Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of rare earth elements and debunking some common myths about them. These elements are essential in technologies we rely on every day, from smartphones to wind turbines. But there's a lot of misinformation floating around about rare earths, so we're here to set the record straight. We're going to break down 7 common myths about rare earth elements, exploring the science, economics, and geopolitics surrounding these critical materials. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of rare earth elements and separate fact from fiction. Let's start with the most common myth, that rare earth elements are rare. While it's true these elements aren't concentrated in huge, easy-to-mine deposits, they're actually more abundant in the Earth's crust than you might think. Imagine the Earth's crust as a giant cookie with chocolate chips scattered throughout. Those are your rare earth elements. In fact, there's an estimated 99 million metric tons of rare earth reserves worldwide. The term rare earths is a bit of a misnomer, a historical leftover from the early days of their discovery. Advances in technology and a better understanding of geochemistry have made it easier to find and extract these elements. We're discovering new deposits all the time, and researchers are developing innovative ways to recycle and reuse these valuable materials. So, while they're not exactly lying around like pebbles, they're far from being as rare as their name suggests. You've probably heard that China has a firm grip on the rare earth element market. While they've been the dominant player, the idea that they control all deposits is an exaggeration. China currently produces a significant portion of the world's rare earth elements, but several other countries, including the United States, Australia, and Brazil, possess substantial reserves. The global rare earth supply chain is dynamic and constantly evolving. Countries are exploring and developing their own deposits, investing in new extraction technologies, and diversifying their sources to reduce reliance on any single nation. The increasing demand for rare earth elements in green technologies is driving investment and innovation in the sector. This is leading to the discovery and development of new deposits worldwide, challenging the notion of a single country's dominance. So, while China has been a major player, the future of this critical industry is far from a foregone conclusion. Rare earth elements are not a monolithic group where one size fits all. Each rare earth element has its own unique set of properties. Some are magnetic, others glow under certain lights, and some are really good at speeding up chemical reactions. Think of them like a team of superheroes, each with their own special powers. Neodymium powers magnets in your headphones and electric car motors. Europium makes your TV screen light up with vibrant colors. Cerium helps keep your car's exhaust clean and your eyeglasses scratch-free. These elements are used in everything from smartphones and lasers to jet engines and medical imaging devices. Understanding the distinct characteristics and application of each rare earth element is crucial for developing sustainable and efficient technologies. So remember, each element brings its own strengths to the table, making them a diverse and indispensable group in the world of materials science. There's been concern about China using its rare earth production as leverage in trade relations. While they have implemented export quotas and taxes in the past, the idea that they'll completely cut off supply to US manufacturers is unlikely. China has economic incentives to continue exporting rare earth materials and products. Restricting exports could backfire by encouraging other countries to ramp up their own rare earth production and processing capabilities. Instead of a complete shutdown, we're more likely to see China continue using its rare earth industry strategically. This situation highlights the importance of diversifying global rare earth supply chains and reducing reliance on any single source. It underscores the need for international cooperation, technological innovation, and responsible sourcing practices to ensure a stable and sustainable supply of these critical materials. You might have heard whispers of rare earth prices being as unpredictable as a roller coaster. While it's true that prices can fluctuate, the idea that they are inherently unstable is an oversimplification. Like any commodity market, rare earth prices are influenced by supply and demand dynamics. When demand is high and supply is tight, prices tend to rise. Conversely, when supply outstrips demand, prices may fall. Geopolitical events, trade policies, and speculation can play a role in short-term price swings. However, the long-term price trend for rare earth elements has been relatively stable. As the industry matures and new sources of supply come online, we can expect price volatility to decrease. Advancements in recycling and resource efficiency are helping to create a more stable and sustainable rare earth market. So while rare earth prices can experience short-term fluctuations, the market is becoming increasingly sophisticated, leading to greater price stability in the future. It's easy to think of rare earth elements as one big happy family where everyone's equal. But in reality, just like in any family, some members are in higher demand than others. Some rare earth elements like cerium and lanthanum are relatively abundant and have a wider range of applications, making them less expensive. Others, like terbium and dysprosium, are scarcer and highly sought after for their use in high-performance magnets and lasers, which makes them pricier. The value and importance of each rare earth element depend on its unique properties, applications, and availability. Understanding these nuances is essential for making informed decisions about resource allocation, research and development, and strategic sourcing. So remember, not all rare earth elements are created equal. Their value and importance vary depending on a range of factors. Finally, let's address the idea that we're utterly dependent on rare earths with no backup plan. While it's true they have unique properties, the notion that there are zero alternatives is a bit dramatic. Researchers and engineers are constantly exploring alternative materials and technologies. For example, scientists are developing new types of magnets that rely on readily available elements like iron and nitrogen. Similarly, researchers are exploring alternative materials for lighting and display technologies. The quest for alternatives is driven by economic considerations, supply chain security, and environmental concerns. By investing in research and development, we can unlock new possibilities and create a more sustainable and resilient technological landscape. So, while rare earth elements are important, they don't represent the be-all and end-all of technological advancement. So there you have it, 7 myths about rare earth elements debunked. We've learned that these elements are more common than their name suggests. They're not controlled by a single country, and they're not all created equal. Plus, the hunt for alternatives is on. Understanding the facts about rare earth elements is crucial for making informed decisions about our technology, our economy, and our planet. By separating myth from reality, we can work towards a future where these critical materials are sourced, used, and recycled responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.
Welcome to the world of geology and earth sciences with Ricardo Valls, a seasoned professional geologist bringing you over 1,500 videos of unparalleled expertise. Whether you're a budding graduate student, an early career specialist, or a seasoned professional, this channel is your gateway to a wealth of knowledge. Explore a vast array of Earth-related subjects, including geology, geochemistry, structural geology, and the application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in geosciences. Ricardo Valls not only shares his own invaluable insights, but also brings you exclusive interviews and collaborations with other prominent geologists, offering a comprehensive view of the field. Stay ahead of the curve with our latest content, covering everything from unraveling the Earth's secrets to exploring global geological phenomena. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your knowledge and stay at the forefront of the industry. Subscribe now, hit that like button, and share this invaluable resource with your colleagues and friends. Join our growing community of over 2,000 earth science enthusiasts and professionals today. Unlock the secrets of the Earth with Ricardo Valls, your top resource for all things geology. The future of geosciences is here. Be part of it.
I think these videos are brilliant, and I'm sure you will like them too. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell.